We'll be unboxing the Galaxy S24 Plus, and this is the Cobalt Violet, or the purple color, because I love purple. This is 512 gigabytes of storage space. And taking off the cover, we have the box for the instructions. We have the quick start guide. We have the SIM ejector pin. We have the USB-C to USB-C cable. The cable is around close to 40 inches. So let's just say 3 feet and 4 inches or so. You may want to look into a longer cable if you need more. Then we have the S24 Plus. Then we have the back of the phone, which has the 3 cameras. And it has a really smooth feel to it. It makes me wonder if there's another layer I need to peel off, because it definitely feels like there's something there, but maybe that's just the way the phone is. Then we have the side buttons, and on the bottom we have the USB-C charging port, and we have the microphone here, and then we have the SIM tray here, and I'm gonna assume this is the speaker. Using one of my plentiful of SIM ejector pins to eject the tray out, like so. And as you can see, this is the SIM card tray. It only comes with one slot for the one SIM card, the really tiny SIM card. Then the phone has this cover on it to protect it while it's being shipped. And you take this cover off by pulling on this tab at the bottom. Inserting the SIM card. Almost had a little trouble there. The SIM card was just a fraction too big. I'm gonna check how much charge this has by plugging it in. Right now it has 56% charge, and it has the 2 lightning icon, which I assume might mean fast charging 2.0. So let's see how fast it's going, just for now, just real quick. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, we need more accurate. We need a more accurate timer. Okay, we'll start it when it reaches 59%. We'll have an estimate of how many percentage it goes up. Or at least let's just test how it goes up when it's at about 59. All right. Oh man, come on. It's not gonna be inaccurate, okay? So let's just come on. It's not gonna be accurate. Let's see how long it takes from 59 if it was just turned off. Let's see how far it goes. So while it's doing the charge, while it's doing that, one of the things I like about the S24 Plus is they got rid of the edge. I was never a fan of the edges of the Samsung Galaxy phones. I've always hated them since they first introduced those to the phone. I don't know why they kept it. It was hard to put on the screen protector, or if I'm holding it without a case, then my chubby fingers will be touching the screen, and just touch the screen, and it would just do all kind of weird things while I'm just walking with the phone. So I've always preferred the phones just being flat with no edge. Oh, I guess I should mention I'm using a UGREEN cable. I forgot what the wattage was. I think maybe I don't know, 250 watts or something. I just know it was an insanely high wattage cable, which is overkill. And my plug that I'm using is Anker, I think an Anker Prime gancharger. It is 100 watts, I think. And if I remember correctly, I think 45 watts was the highest max that this S24 Plus went. But I'll need to look into it. Nice. Let's marvel at the wonders of the universe. That was nice. Let's continue. All right, we're getting close. Could be a couple of minutes. Just gonna look. I mean, it's not gonna be accurate, but it just gives you a basic idea. If you ever needed to charge something, maybe your charge is down 20%. You can charge it up to the upper 90s or so. Then it's just gonna slow down. But you're like, now you gotta go. Time to go. So you just unplug it and you leave. So they'll charge it for you really quickly. Just enough. It gets to a certain point, starts to slow down. Then you can just, if you're in a rush, just go somewhere. Or if you're not, just keep it plugged in till it's 100%. Taking all bets. When will it stop? Will it be under... Oh, there we go, 100%. Under 46, so around less than 46 minutes from the, what was it, 56? I don't remember. 56 percentage till now. Not too bad.